So today we are checking out a mechanical keyboard from a rising Indian brand that's been gaining a lot of attention in the budget gaming space. This is the Kreo Hive full-size mechanical gaming keyboard. I have been daily diving this keyboard for a couple of weeks now, and it's time to break it all down. From the build quality, RGB, and typing experience. Let's dive in. In the box, we get a manual, USB A to C cable, some stickers, a keycap puller, 2 extra key switches, and the keyboard itself. At the first glance, the Kreo Hive stands out with its 98% key layout. It's full size, meaning you get your number pad, function keys, but with a tighter, more compact footprint. Perfect if you want to benefit a full keyboard without eating up too much of desk space. The body feels well built with minimal flex. It's made of plastic, but the weight and finish give it a sturdy, almost premium feel, especially in this price range. I really like the clean design and color options. Mine's the all-black version, but I swapped out the accent keys with a friend who bought the all-white one. So now we both have accented keyboards. This gives off major custom keyboard vibes. It's also available in black purple, white purple if you're looking for more color options. The Hive connects via a detachable USB-C to A cable, which is great for portability and easier cable management. There's also a built-in volume knob, and while it's a nice metal finish and super satisfying to use, but unfortunately, you cannot remap it through software. It's a small but weird design decision. You get full RGB per key backlighting, with built-in lighting presets and decent brightness. The effects are vibrant, and you can cycle through them using the keyboard shortcuts. No software needed. That said, if you want to customize it deeper, there's a companion app, but don't expect miracles. Kreo offers blue, brown, and red Outemu switches. Blue is clicky, brown is tactile, and red is linear. I'm using brown switches. They give you that satisfying bump without the loud click of blues or smooth linear feel of reds. The key switches are hot swappable, but I do not recommend doing this often because it might damage your switches. These browns strike a great balance for both gaming and typing. You get tactile feedback that helps with accuracy and muscle memory, but without annoying your roommates or blowing out your mic during Discord calls. The keyboard also has foam dampening layer inside, which reduces echo and keystroke ping. Another huge plus at this price point. It doesn't sound hollow like lot of other budget gaming mechanical keyboards. Here's a quick sound test. Overall, I was really happy with how nice this keyboard feels and types on. The stabilizers could use some work, especially on the spacebar, but nothing deal-breaking. Now let's talk about the quirks, because no keyboard is perfect. First off, keycap quality. While some key looks double shot, others aren't, leading to uneven backlight diffusion. The legends are a bit inconsistent, and if you are picky about aesthetics, you'll notice. The software, as mentioned, is super basic. You can change lighting as assigned basic functions, but there's no complex functionality. So if you're a power user, this could be limiting. And there have been a few scattered reports online of keys failing after a few months. Mine's totally fine, but it's something I'll be keeping eye on and updating in the comments if anything changes. The Hive is priced around 2,900 to 3,150 rupees, depending on the variant and where you buy it. Whether from Kreo's official website or Amazon. At that price, you're getting a lot. Mechanical switches, RGB, volume control, and a sturdy build. When you compare it with other brands, you're getting similar features but with a more premium feel and cleaner design. So here's the bottom line. If you want a mechanical keyboard that looks great, types well, and doesn't break the bank, the Kreo Hive is a fantastic pick, especially if you're getting into mechanical keyboards or want something stylish for your setup. It's not perfect. I wish the knob had customization. The software is barebone and the keycaps could be better. but for 3000, it's honestly hard to complain. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more hands-on reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.